Hi friends, welcome to our channel Padmavyugam. Today we see about general knowledge simple GK. Today we see the simple GK question about animals and birds. Totally 15 questions are given. Share your comments about this video and how much of questions are correctly answered by you. Please share with us. Please subscribe our channel and get more general knowledge related videos. Question number 1. Which living bird lays the world's largest egg? Ostrich. Question number 2. The bird which lays more than 100 eggs in one nest is ostrich. How many legs does a butterfly have? 6 legs. Question number 4. How many hearts does an octopus have? 3 hearts. Question number 5. The smallest dog on earth is the Chihuahua. Question number 6. The first animal to go into space was dog. Question number 7. How many years can a cat live? Up to 20 years. Question number 8. How many years emu birds can live? 60 years. Question number 9. Which bird can fly backwards? Hummingbird. Question number 10. The only mammal that can fly is the bat. Question number 11. Which animal has largest brain in the world? Answer is Sperm Whale. Question number 12. A baby kangaroo is also known as joy. Question number 13. How many legs does a spider have? 8 legs. Question number 14. How many wings does a bee have? 4 wings. How many stomachs does a giraffe have? 4 stomachs. Question number 16. How many stomachs does a ostrich have? 3. In which country Kiwi bird found? New Zealand. In which country bee hummingbird found? Cuba. Which animal never sleeps? Bullfrog. Which animal does not drink water? Kangaroo rat. Which animal blood is blue in color? Octopus. Which animal has teeth in its stomach? Lobster. Which animal have 2 humps in the back? Bactrian camel. Which animal breathes through skin? Frog. Which animal has the highest blood pressure? Giraffe. Which one is the only bird that can see the color blue? Owl. Which one is the slowest moving land animal? 3-toed sloth. Which one is the slowest animal underwater? Seahorse. Which country have a white elephant? Thailand. Name the only animal that dislikes white color. Tiger. One-horn rhino is found in India. Name the only country where both tigers and lions are found. India. Total number of brains available in a leech. 32. The average pregnancy period of a female dog is 63 days. The largest seabird is the albatross. The largest kangaroo in the world is the red kangaroo. What was the name of the first cloned sheep? Dolly. What kind of animal is a dhole? Wild dog. Which animal is not a color blind? Gorilla. Which bird does not ever make a nest? Cuckoo. Number of alary muscles in cockroach? 12 pairs. Which bird floats on its neck in the water? Darter or snake bird? Which animal has the longest memory? Dolphin. Pashmina shawl is made from the hair of sheep. A camel can remain without water for how many days? 30 days. Which has the world's largest monkey? Mandrill, West Africa. A bird which lays only one egg in 2 years is the albatross. Which bird can turn head around to look backward to 270 degree? Owl. Which animal can create the loudest sound among any living creature? Humpback whales. How long is a giraffe tongue in feet? 1.6 feet. Thanks for watching our videos and share your valuable time with us. Our channel and get more videos related to general knowledge. Thank you very much.